Hello everyone. This first lesson really is more of theory than mathematics. It's going to be really important that you pick up a couple things and really study a few of those charts in here, because you're going to be asked to be able to recall information about the different types of EMR. You would need to know the order of EMR based on energy, frequency, and wavelength. You would need to know the different colors in the visible light spectrum and their approximate energy, frequency, and wavelengths. You will be given questions where you'll be asked to classify EMR based on the source chart. So there's, even though the mathematics in here is very simple, the actual concepts and the theory behind these are a lot of work. So take a lot of time to print off those notes and read through and memorize those numbers as soon as possible. The other thing that you're going to also have to be able to describe in here conceptually is how Maxwell came up with these electromagnetic waves, talking about the accelerating charge. So it's really important that you watch the video link, really important that you understand that this is coming from an accelerated charge, and understanding the parts of Maxwell's theory, because this will be used for the rest of the course. You'll be kind of building on top of what Maxwell concluded. Well, let's look at, first of all, a mathematics example. It says find the frequency of a microwave with a wavelength of 6.25 millimeters. Well, so the wavelength is 6.25 times 10 to the negative 3 meters. We're looking for frequency, and we know that all EMR travels 3.0 times 10 to the 8 meters per second through air. So we have the formula: velocity equals frequency times wavelength. Solve for frequency. It's going to equal to velocity divided by wavelength. Speed of all EMR, 3.0 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, divided by the wavelength, 6.25 times 10 to the negative 3 meters. If we punch that in on our calculator, 3 to the exponent 8 divided by 6.25 to the exponent negative 3 should give you a frequency equal to 4.8 times 10 to the 10 hertz. And if you looked on your table that I gave you, you should be able to classify this in terms of a microwave. Remember, microwaves are produced by specialized currents through specialized equipment. That's the source for a microwave.